How to fix slow Wi-Fi in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down. Go back to your home screen and restart your iPhone and restart your router. For restart your iPhone, it can fix minor glitches. Press volume down button and power button at the same time and slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone and then restart your router. And after restart your router, then open settings and click on general and then scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset and here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on reset network settings and here enter your passcode to reset all your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and reconnect your Wi-Fi, and after reconnect your Wi-Fi your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.